am a fourth year law student. I study in ILS Law College, Pune, and I am currently in Nagpur because of the lockdown. I stay here, and I I had actually taken up a corporate law diploma last year, and that was the first time I got to know about IBC. And I was always curious about the subject ever since I got to know about it. So when the lockdown happened, I thought I should take up a course, take up an online course, and there I came across LawSeco course on IBC. So I was like, I should try it. So when I joined the course, I had no expectations from it because I did not know about the course initially, and that was the first time I took up any course on LawSeco. So I thought it would be a basic theoretical course, but when I actually went about the course, I realized it is much more than just theory, and the live sessions were more informative than just the concept. And we were provided with a lot of practical aspects and the case laws and how relevant it is and how applicable it is in the practical scenario. And I quite liked it. So I was completely new to the subject and the drafting part of it. And when I remember the first time, the first application and the first assignment that I did, I was really bad at it because I had no idea about the application and how to draft it and how to go about it. But when I look back at my last assignment, I realized that I have learned so much. My assignment, my drafting skills have improved a lot. I have understood the concepts really better over the course of the course, over the period of the course. And the practical aspect is what I think I learned the most. And it was uh, only possible because of the assignments. We, when we were given the articles to write in the as a part of the assignment, I got to understand how to research, how to draft it, and I was told that my one of my articles is actually going to get published and is considered for a publication. So I learned a lot over the three articles that I did, how to research, how to draft it properly, and again, that was the first time I was actually writing an article. So that is what I learned practically from the course. And other than that, with respect to any internships, I'm not able to do any internships as of now because my college just started and I was preoccupied with the course. So I couldn't actually work uh, with in relation with IBC. But yeah, the practical aspect of the articles helped me a lot. Joined the course a little late than the initial batch, and that's why I had a lot of assignments to cover up and a lot of concepts to cover up. But the team at Lawsico supported so much. They were always there to help me whenever I was stuck at a point or I did not understand the concept, or when I had a doubt in the previous session. So even the faculty and the entire team at Lawsico was really cooperative. And I used to always text them whenever I had any doubt or I was not able to understand something. And I always got prompt replies, and they always managed to clear my doubts. So it was really helpful. And the course is really nicely structured, and I got to know a lot about the entire subject of IBC, and it was quite thorough, and it was explained also really properly.